Welcome to People's Park. Nandito po kami sa People's Park with my wife. Here, kita nyo, sobrang ganda ng People's Park. Kayla! Say hi to my vloggers. Uy! 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 Yung sa ba? To my vloggers. Come to People's Park. Park boom boom. Vlogger. Diyan mabuta sa mga tao dito sa kano. Sa Davao, Manila, sila wag na yung mga hugaw.
Asa man, ganahan ka magtagat.
I love Davao City People's Park. Why they call this People's Park? Because from the taxes of the people. Ganyan ang aming presidente. Nice. Museum. Ganda ng design ng kanilang museum. Look at this. Welcome to People's Park. Free entrance lang, walang bayad dito sa People's Park. Wala siya Plaza Independencia. May bayad. You should di ka mag-uhaw-gaw. You should not basta rin mag-uhaw-gaw. Look at that. Durian man siya, durian. Green nga durian, hilaw-hilaw pa ni. National Museum of the Philippines, Davao, open air to the public Monday to Sunday 9 to 5 p.m. Admission is free. Walang bayad kahit piso. Aircon pa yun.